What's up guys? Today I'm back with another unboxing video of something quite tacky, I would say. So let me bring it up. If you're wondering what plastic bag is this, it's actually a supermarket plastic bag. Yeah, I received it like that. Okay, anyway, it is the ATEM Mini Pro from Blackmagic design. I recently got this for my church. It's mainly for live streaming purposes, but I'm gonna see how I can actually incorporate it for the congregation that are on site with us. I know I'm doing this video months after the announcement of the new ATEM Mini Extreme. Unfortunately, our church budget doesn't allow that, so the front looks like that. Very classic, very neat and professional looking. Different buttons, what does it do? Okay, pretty interesting. The ATEM Mini Pro, it can display multi-view. Yeah, so that's one reason why I got the Mini Pro instead of the Mini. The price is like, it's like double. The Mini is like 400 plus and this Mini Pro is around 900. Yeah, when it just launched, but many people still got the Mini Pro because the multi-view is really important. Advanced chroma key, they are doing picture-in-picture and all the transitions. ATEM software control panel, which you have to install it and it works on a computer. Wow, oof. Nice yellow. Okay, welcome. We are very excited you've purchased a Blackmagic design product for your work. We spent thousands of hours in research and development. Our dream has always been to empower creativity in the film and television industry by making the tools affordable. Software installer. Blackmagic design is committed to reducing waste to help the environment, so we are removing the SD card, changing it to an online manual and software download. Okay, and you also have a sticker. Free download of DaVinci Resolve 17. This is the power supply unit. Cool. Whoa, it uses screw. That's cool. The different adapter for whichever country you are in. So I believe we'll be using this one. Works something like the MacBook charger. So I just push it in. Next will be Wow, look at it. Damn! This looks like a very powerful machine. Small but so powerful. Okay, just a disclaimer first. I have never touched an actual ATEM Mini Pro before. This is my first time, so whatever I say is whatever I think and feel at this moment. It might change. Okay, let's look at the front first. There are many buttons. First touch, I actually quite like the button. Basically all the buttons are rubber, then when you press you can really feel it. I mean, can you hear it? It might sound a bit flimsy to you, but it's actually quite nice to press. The bigger buttons feel a bit flimsy because maybe it's so big. Yeah, other than that, it's quite cool. So you got the 1, 2, 3, 4 here because these are the 4 inputs that you have on the back. Channel 1 for audio, channel 2 for audio, mic 1, mic 2. I believe these are to control the volume, then mute and unmute. The on-off, right? Mute and unmute, I think. AFV stands for audio follow video. So whenever you have this selected, once you switch to that particular source, they will take the audio from that particular source. On the back side, you actually have all these HDMI inputs. So input 1, 2, 3, 4. HDMI out is actually for your multi-view. So if you want to watch your multi-view, you gotta connect a monitor or a TV. This is your power. ATEM control for the Ethernet. Then you got the two 3.5mm audio jack here. I guess we will be using this to send the audio from our mixer into here via like a aux out. Oh, okay. They have some holes here. I guess this is where the heat dissipates, right? This one goes in here. Ooh. Wow, the colors are actually pretty bright. Yeah, in your face. The first thing I want to do is actually try out the multi-view so that I can actually see something coming up. And by the way, if you're wondering, the ATEM Mini Pro doesn't come with a USB cable. That's what I've been wondering. But anyway, the seller was very kind. He gave me a USB cable. awesome. So as you can see here, it's preview, then program, like a standard one. So cam 1, cam 2, cam 3 and cam 4. Here you can see the audio levels, then you can see if you're recording or not, and this is if you're streaming off the ATEM Mini Pro. You can actually see the data here, see whether it's streaming healthily. Yeah. And you got one media pool. So the media pool, you can actually put logo inside there, or if you have QR codes for offering and stuff like that, you can put there also. But bear in mind, the ATEM Mini Pro only has one media pool. I mean, you can only display one at a time. Let's try to set up some inputs and display something. I will use two laptops in this case because I do not have the camera with me right now. I'm just gonna use one laptop display to simulate the camera live feed. It's already displaying on the preview and the program actually. Yeah, as you can see, camera 1 is my laptop, which is here. Input 2. So this laptop is going into camera 2. It's displayed here already. So currently program is showing my MacBook, right? If I want it to show this one, the Windows laptop, I just gonna press 2 and it switches. Awesome. Yeah, so if I press 1, then 2. 1, 2. Yeah, but actually you don't really want it to move like that. You want it to, press preview or something. Another cool feature of the ATEM Mini Pro is that it has the picture-in-picture, or we can call it the PIP. Basically what it does is, let's say you want two sources to be showing at the same time. For example, you want like the bigger screen to be like the sermon PPT, but you still want to see the speaker speaking, so you can show it at the corners of your screen. So this is how you do it. So input 2 currently is showing the PowerPoint slide, and if I turn on the picture-in-picture, you can see that, yeah, the main PowerPoint is this one. Then you can see the presenter in that small little window. I think it can be adjusted, so you need to go into the software to figure it out. So you can put it on different side of the screen. So top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right. So other things you can do will be like transitions. So different transition, like slide in, or we can try another one, squeeze. Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, so this is just my first look and first try at the ATEM Mini Pro. It works awesome, I love it. Of course, just now when I pressed the input, the program immediately changed also, which we don't want it to happen. We just want it to appear in preview first, then you cut it to go into program. I think that has to be done in the ATEM Control Surface software. One thing I realized, right, is that the ATEM Mini Pro doesn't have a on-off button. It looks good, but maybe it should have an on-off button somewhere or on the back, which it doesn't have. I mean, I personally prefer to have an on-off button. It makes me feel like I'm turning on and off the device correctly rather than just go to the mains and switch it off. It hurts. So that's it for my unboxing of the ATEM Mini Pro. I'm gonna do another video which will show the new setup, the upgrading of our live streaming equipment, and probably a new camera as well, maybe, which will come later. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this kind of content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye.